the recent video I saw in which you were, even explaining how Isra and Mi'raj, we can, integrate some of the help from the scientific language and describe this, what is this cloud, water, and all. I think that was very beautiful to see.
The video will become very long. I will come to this point now. Very, very important point. How much time Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, took in Al-Isra Al-Mi'raj? First of all, he traveled using Buraq. The Buraq was made up of light, and what I remember, the translation of the meaning is like a ray of light, or related to light, ray of light. So it means on the face of the earth, if you will calculate the distance between the Masjid al-Haram to Masjid al-Aqsa, it's nothing with the speed of light. But I'm telling you, consider this 1 second or maybe half second. This all is not happening in this realm, is in this direction. This happening in some other thing, because we know how much fast they travel if they are in form of light. And I told you again, if you will be thinking as a light, I again told you this is equal to mc square. We know how we are created. We know energy and mass are different form of same thing. So you should be clear this question. If somebody says like they went with this materialistic body or the spiritual body, these are illogical questions. We should not think about it. We have to think that was not a dream and he went there. That's it. If you are telling spiritual and physical body or this body, you are limiting yourself and you are contradicting this one also. If you understand deep, some of the people who want to believe what they believe, it's okay, no problem with that. Just keep doing the good thing. That's it. This is not for everyone. I just want 1% or 2% people to understand this, so that they can spread, they will open their mind and spread the concept and broaden their thinking. This is what I want. So now I wrote down here, if he took, for example, he would have spent some time there, right? He would have spent some time in Mi'raj. In this, you will see so many hadiths. He went there, he saw this, he was given something in the bowl to drink, yeah, and he was given milk also, and liquor also, and he took milk, what I remember. And what I'm trying to say, it took time, it took ages, man, it took time. If you will see that particular time what he took, and we know that he came back in seconds, but in reality, in this dimension, it would have taken some time, right? To move, to talk to someone. He saw Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, Prophet Jesus, Prophet, so many prophets were there, right? It would have taken time to meet them, greet them, and do whatever he did. He saw people in heaven and hell. It's not like he just saw and went. No, he was there, he asked questions, so many. He spent some time, right? Now, how much time he spent there? I am not going to tell you the specific time. Of course, only Allah knows. What I'm going to give you right now, the calculation. If he took 10 years, how much time it took? If it took 20 years, how much time it took? If it took 30 years, what was the earth time? This is the very important thing. And believe me, I'm working on this for last 10-15 years to try to figure out, because I saw a video, and in that a guy was telling on the stage, how you guys believe in a prophet who is flying on the two-winged horse, and this is, as per a scientific mind, it becomes illogical. So I started to go deep into it, and alhamdulillah, this is what I came up with. So first of all, everything is becoming logical. When we calculated this, logical. When we calculated this, logical. Now I am going to give you the very important point, and that is, if he would spend 10 years, earth 10 years, he will come back in 17.28 seconds. And that 10 years is including Al-Isra and Al-Mi'raj. Or I know this, you will think how it is calculated. First of all, I told you Al-Isra, put it 1 second. Whatever they travel with the speed of light, put it 1 second. And now Al-Mi'raj, how much time it took. In this verse, Allah Ta'ala clearly says, if somebody goes from this way, even after going there also, they would have traveled with the speed of light. With the speed of light. So just consider it like how much time it would take him. I don't think nothing. So I will come back to this again. if something is traveling through these ways, they are traveling a distance of 50,000 years in one earth day. In one earth day. So again, if you want to understand more how much distance a moon will travel in 50,000 years, if you go here, you're traveling in one day. So now, if I will take, instead of 50,000 years, only 10 years, earth years, for 50,000 years, it was taking one day. Simple calculation, very, very simple calculation. For 50,000 years, it was taking one day. For 10 years, how much time is going to take? In simple, if you will do 10 upon 50,000 is equal to x upon 24 hour. It will give you 17.28. Now what you can do, make a table here, and I don't have a pen here, otherwise I would have created a table. So if you will put in 5 years, how much time it will take? It will be half of this. It will be half of this, yeah, 8 to the 16, maybe 9 seconds, yeah, around 9 seconds, 5 years. You can calculate if you took time of only 1 year there in full journey in his dimension, he took 1 year. It will take how many seconds? 1.728 seconds it will take. If you took 1 year, only 1.728 seconds. If you took 10 year, 17.28 seconds. If it took 100 year journey, I don't think it was 172.8 second. This is a time, that possibility, and also you can add 1 second of this travel in this. I tried my best to make you understand what I could, and man, this is a very vast topic. It's a very vast topic. If you go in each one, it's a very vast topic. If you go in Mi'raj, soul, and this, it's a very vast topic. Again, I want to tell you, black hole is created from a dying star, or you can say dead star. It's there inside, because light goes there. We know that light goes there. We know, and it's not coming because there is a way open another side. They don't talk about the ways open another side, but when something light goes here, it's not coming back because it's going another side. There are two, according to this. We know when something is going on Mi'raj, there is entry, should be exit also. If you understand this, they came to know now that black hole can have entry also and exit also. There has to be entry, there has to be exit. If black hole is same what it looks, probably, because Allah Ta'ala is also mentioning, Allah Ta'ala is swearing to, Allah Ta'ala is using this example in first verse, and Allah Ta'ala is telling about this star in this verse. Most probably this is the thing, and it's crossing all the sky. I was going through one of the hadith, but I'm working on it, that says 500 years of distance of each sky, but I tried to calculate it. I didn't get proper hadith about it. I saw hadith, but I'm still working on it. I'm not sure about that. We are using our mind. Right now, science doesn't say that if you go through the Mi'raj, the speed of light is 50 times the speed of light. But I use the concept, and I derived that, okay, if you go from Mi'raj, the speed of light is 50 times the speed of light, right? If you go through Mi'raj. And I calculated how much time Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he took. That also I calculated, if you saw.
Yep.
I'm just telling you, if he took maybe 1 year, he came back like 1 minute, 1 second, 1.28 or 30 seconds. If he took 24 years, why I'm telling 24? In one of the video I saw, this Mr. Sahil Adim, he was talking about 24, this was 24 years travel, in time in that dimension. So if you will say like it took 24 years, it will take, according to my calculation, around 40 seconds. So in 40 seconds, he went there, he came back.
Yep.